Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special for Volkswagen Touareg 2011 to 2014 years. Okay, let me do unbox review. Here is the head unit. You can check this box. Okay. This is special harness and parts for head unit. Let me introduce. This for high kit. This dangerous button and the other buttons keep original buttons. Let me show it. Okay, you can check this Volkswagen plug. For special for VW Volkswagen plug. Okay, this fuse box. You can check fuse box. And this canvas box, Volkswagen Touareg, and you can connect this harness, this connector, to connect the canvas box. Okay, please make sure connected is real. Okay, there are AUX inputs left and right. It's a plug and play, and usually it works with decoder by canvas for stereo control. Stereo control works with canvas, but you can find the K1 and the K2 and the GND wire. This is for stereo control, and this ANT wire. This ampli wire, amplifier 12 voltage, and this reset wire. Okay, so special harness, plug and play. This connector to connect our back of head unit. This connector. Okay. It will come with GPS antenna. GPS antenna. And this Volkswagen radio antenna. And this camera input, original camera input, and this USB cable connect to back and back of head unit. This long cable to USB and external microphone. This camera input are set up, and this connector to connect back of head unit. This AUX input, left and right input, and video input are set up, connect to back of head unit. Okay, this audio cable connect to back of head unit, this connector, and this video out 1 and video out 2 are set up. This AUX output, left and right, front and rear, are set up. This subwoofer are set up. Okay, let me show head unit. It's plug and play. and easy install. You can watch YouTube video, photo, remove original video, and just put the radio back with same. Okay, you can check this head unit inside. Okay, let me check the back. You can check this power, this fuse, this GPS, these connectors for audio cable, USB, and the other cable. This radio antenna, this Wi-Fi, this single DIN. Okay, let me power with the 12 voltage. Connect the power 12 voltage. You can check this system will start. Okay, system started. You can check the head unit. Okay, this is complete 1-inch IPS touch screen. Please take out this screen protector before using. And their original buttons keeps work. Dangerous button and the other buttons is head unit buttons, home, back, volume, power, this built-in microphone, and reset hole, this IST reset hole. Lamp press, you can check the wallpapers, leave wallpapers, wallpaper image. You can choose the image, paper, click OK, change the, can adjust the brightness. Okay. This data and time updated by GPS and Wi-Fi network. This radio, you can search the radio stations. It will get so many radio stations. Okay, all apps are here. It's built-in DSP amplifier, sound film, EQ, and effects. It's a built-in control setting. Type, TPMS, distance, speed, and air information, and other settings. It's built in Play Store. You can install apps from Play Store. Z-Link app, we already built in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in the head unit. Z-Link app will connect USB, work with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, let me check the settings. It's built in Wi-Fi support, mobile phone network 4G SIM modem. Okay. Check. This vehicle information is for oil and other information. About machine, you can check the MCU value, CPU optical memory size 4GB, model is PX5, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, you can check the storage. It's total RAM 64GB. Okay, and you can check the car setting, personal settings, auto play music, power assist standby time, LED settings. You can choose the gray button, change by gray color, and any color you can set its buttons, its purpose, and change the blue, orange. Okay, we choose red. Navigation, it's built in Google Navigation, and GPS test support Google Maps and other navigation maps like Waze. This navigation and driver setting, it's reserve volume. You can set it, watch video, turn on, turn off. This real backup camera, tracking display, real ruler, XMirror, and other settings. Our all-head unit supports stereo control settings. Okay, that's all. Thank you.